on their Scrambler XP 1000 project back in 2017. Teixeira Tech's Xtreme ground clearance A-arms proved to improve strength, high-speed stability, and steering feel. Their reverse gull-wing style design also improves ground clearance on models not featuring arched lower A-arms. Teixeira Tech's parts developed for the original Scrambler XP 1000 and 850 work perfectly with the Sportsman XP 1000 and 850. Built to be both strong and light, they're constructed in the United States of large diameter TIG welded US sourced 4130 chromoly. The shock mounts on the upper A-arms have been beefed up compared to stock. Impressive looking cross bracing and gussets are used on the lower A-arms. Teixeira Tech's welds are some of the cleanest and most consistent we've seen. Teixeira Tech's A-arms are designed to reduce Polaris' overly sensitive steering at high speeds while improving straight line stability by increasing caster. This is accomplished by moving the lower A-arms forward and the upper A-arms rearward compared to stock. It is less expensive to order the lower A-arms by themselves for improved ground clearance and some increase in caster. If you want to maximize the caster change and handling benefits, strength, and overall feeling of the front end, you'll want to go with a full set like we did. A-arm length and shock mounting points have not changed, so you can utilize your stock shocks without issue. Teixeira Tech uses long-lasting Delrin bushings. Grease fittings come standard for easy maintenance. You can utilize your stock ball joints, although we ordered ours with Teixeira Tech's optional set of longer-lasting Italian-made ball joints from Frapp. They come standard in black with a number of powder coat color options available. Teixeira Tech's Anti-Vibe steering stem improves strength and ergonomics. It's constructed in the US of TIG welded 1¼ inch 4130 chromoly, featuring redesigned chromoly splines with over 50% more surface engagement to reduce wear and play at the power steering unit. They're available in +2 or +3 inch configurations for use with shorter height handlebars. A black powder coat finish comes standard with other color options available. Teixeira Tech's handlebar clamps come complete with the Anti-Vibe mounting kit needed to work with their stem. Constructed of billet aluminum, the bar clamps are designed to work with 1 1/8 inch handlebars and offer 4 positions of adjustment, allowing the bars to be mounted more forward or rearward. The addition of the shorter, straighter Fast Company Flex handlebars, taller Teixeira Tech stem, adjustable position Teixeira Tech bar clamp, and Rock Speed Effects foot pegs puts you in a much more effective attack position with better weight distribution on the machine. Aside from not plowing the lower A-arms into the dirt in deep ruts thanks to their added ground clearance, there was a notable reduction in the front end's nervous feeling at speed, thanks to the A-arm's additional caster. The additional caster had 2 benefits. It firmed up the steering very slightly, and reduces how quickly the front end reacts to handlebar input, which is more noticeable at speed. In spite of the improvements in steering and stability at high speeds, in the tight sections that made up a majority of our course, the caster increase didn't seem to compromise the agility of the machine. With construction and strength that far exceed OEM standards, the full set of Teixeira Tech A-arms add a more solid and precise feeling to the front end that racer types will certainly appreciate. The improvement in handling and ground clearance will benefit any Sportsman or Scrambler 1000 or 850 owner, in the woods or in the desert. Teixeira Tech's XGC A-arms make a big difference in strength, ground clearance, and handling. It's no wonder they're the most popular A-arm in the 4x4 classes in the GNCCs.